Hi everyone, Greg here. Now, when I go shopping, I always like to see if I can find a bargain. And today I was shopping at the supermarket and I noticed this plant was on special for $2.40. Now they were selling them for $16 and this is the reason why it's for sale for $2.40. It's half dying, all the leaves are drooping, it doesn't look happy at all. So today I'm going to show you how to save one of these plants that is on its deathbed to bring it back to life and make it happy and healthy again. It's actually really easy to do. Let me show you how. So basically all you're going to need is a plant tray like this that holds your water. So let's, for starters, get this plant out of the bag. See what we're dealing with. Yeah, that looks terrible, doesn't it? I mean, the leaves are all drooping. The soil here, it's like it's rock hard. It feels very rooted in. Let's see if we can just take a look. Yeah, lots of roots there. And this is very dry. So basically, all we need to do is give this a really good soaking. So we'll just put that in here, grab the watering can and water this. Hopefully it is soaking in really well. And what I want to do is pretty much just fill up this whole container with water, so that the plant just sits in the water and really soaks it in. And we'll give that a whole day, well at least overnight, and tomorrow we'll come back, take a look at this plant and see how well it's doing. Now it's not going to make the flowers start flowering again right now, but hopefully it will get the leaves up and it'll be looking a whole lot healthier. Let's come back tomorrow and have a look. Well, it's the next day and just take a look at this plant. It has completely changed. Even some of the flowers have come back. The leaves are full again. Looks like a brand new plant. Now it does have some bits here which didn't come back. They're still green and they might come back. So what I might do is cut these back here, and there's another bit at the back here which looks like it might have died, this bit here, so I might trim that off. So I might just trim this above the stalk there, remove some of these leaves, and hopefully these will reshoot again. They may not, and if they don't I'll just cut it right back at the base, but hopefully these will reshoot again. And at the back here, this bit here looks like it's fully died, so I'll just cut that off. I'll get rid of some of these other dead leaves there. But there you go. A plant that was thrown away pretty much at a really discounted price, brought back to life in a very simple and easy way. So next time if you see a plant in a lot of distress, remember, just soak it in a lot of water overnight, and now I'll just keep it in the water and I'll probably refresh that water, give it one more day in water and then just drain it out and just leave it as a normal plant, watering it whenever it needs to be watered. Anyway, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Here's your Aussie made in the garden.